client came to us asking for the most reliable power he could get while keeping the daily drivability of his 2016 BMW M235 Xi. Right away we knew we'd have to upgrade the turbo using a Pure Stage 2 turbo with all the supporting mods. We installed Pure Turbo's inlet, CSF intercooler, upgraded charge pipe, open air intake, and a Walbro fuel pump. The car breathes through a Meister shaft valved exhaust which sounds rowdy. We knew the power levels he was seeking he would need to add alternative fueling. Water methanol injection was a solution. We've done a lot of these setups. We strictly do direct port injection using ProMeth's direct port system. We then use a Snow Performance controller, lines, and pump. After a few runs on the dyno, we dialed her into a safe 507 rear wheel horsepower and 605 foot-pounds of torque.